Meet the NEXAT system, the world's first true all-in-one crop production platform. It is the modular, wide-span carrier vehicle setting a new standard for crop production efficiency. Here is a breakdown of the key specifications. The carrier vehicle is powered by two 550 horsepower diesel engines, delivering an incredible 1100 horsepower total to its diesel-electric drive system. This massive power is contained within a 14-meter or 45-foot wide-span chassis, running on single-wheel electric motors and all-wheel steering. Designed for controlled traffic farming, the NEXAT ensures less than 5% of the field is ever trafficked, drastically reducing soil compaction. The system is fully isobus controlled and features autonomous capability, with control housed in a 270-degree rotatable cab and supported by comprehensive 360-degree camera coverage. Modularity is key. Implements integrate fully as self-propelled attachments via a tool-free process that takes less than 10 minutes. When equipped with the NEXCO Combine module, the system features a 50-foot header and utilizes a dual tangential axial flow threshing system. It holds approximately 900 bushels, or 32 cubic meters, of grain, and boasts a high-speed unload rate of 18.5 bushels per second. For crop applications, the sprayer modules offer tank capacities of up to 22,000 liters, with boom widths extending up to an industry-leading 70 meters. The chassis maintains a 2-meter ground clearance for late-season work. In sowing and fertilization, the system uses seed hoppers with up to 20,500 liters of total capacity. Furthermore, the Weinhoff slurry module offers a massive 32 cubic meter volume, supporting a 12,000 liter per minute pump rate and an incredible fill time of less than 3 minutes. Precision planters can operate at speeds up to 20 kilometers per hour. While the complete package is estimated to be around $2 million, it replaces an entire conventional fleet valued at $4 to $5 million. High capacity, precision control, and uncompromising efficiency. The NEXAT system is the powerful, data-driven answer to next-generation farming.